So these are some of the techniques that we usually use in isolating proteins. So you see, salting out is like when you have, after you open up your proteins, because after you do that, there are, apart from the proteins, there are other macromolecules. So, and as well as water. So if you actually apply salting out, it's like you are trying to remove all other non-protein component, and then you now allow your protein to precipitate, allow your proteins to actually clump together so that at least you remove everything. So in salting out, you are using salt. You are using salt to remove other non-protein components. That's in salting out. Then you now use dialysis or gel filtration. All those smaller non-protein molecules that are attached or that aggregate or that precipitate with the proteins, you can apply dialysis so that at least those small molecules will now leave the proteins, and then you now use gel chromatography. If you know that you have an idea of the size of your protein, then you can now select a specific types of gel filtration chromatography so that your proteins will just be a lot. So you see, actually, I don't want to go deep into this because it's just for you to have an idea of how the proteins is being isolated. Because if you say that we are going to talk about these techniques in deep, it may be actually problematic. Okay. And then, so these are the salting out and salting in. This is the dialysis, and then this is the gel chromatography. So I think that is all. I don't want to go deep because even if you check the material, it's not that very deep. Thank you. Unless if you have any question.